The other day in the charity shop, I came across a photo of what was Whitby Market. I thought initially it was Leeds Corn Market, as it looks strikingly similar. So it sent me down a rabbit hole to find out what that building actually was in Leeds. And it was a corn market. So I didn't know at the time, but I've done a bit of research and we're going to have a look at that right now. Leeds Corn Exchange on Coal Lane is one of the city's principal landmarks. But this distinctive rotunda, built between 1861 and 1863, isn't the city's first dedicated corn hall. Its predecessor, on the hedgerow, is far less famous, perhaps because it wasn't around for very long. That's not to say that Leeds' first corn exchange was insignificant. The city's first purpose-built corn exchange was pretty impressive, as these photos and drawings show. It had pride of place too in the centre of the upper hedgerow and lower hedgerow, which later formed the hedgerow as we know it today, looking down Briggate. Corn trading had previously taken place in Leeds' Moot Hall at the junction of Briggate and Kirkgate. The Moot Hall was demolished around 1825 and replaced by this handsome 3-storey civic building which opened for trade in 1829. Above the main entrance was a statue of Queen Anne, now in Leeds City Art Gallery, and a clock taken from the Moot Hall. As well as trading rooms, Leeds' first corn exchange featured a hotel, inn, 4 shops and a warehouse. Leeds was, however, growing at an astounding pace, and by the 1850s the city's corn traders were feeling neglected, especially as the council was pouring more money into other market facilities. They petitioned the council, and architect Cuthbert Broderick, who designed Leeds Town Hall, was hired to design a bigger, better corn exchange. The present-day corn exchange opened in 1864, and 4 years later the original building was demolished and largely forgotten. Today the site is occupied by Argos and HomeSense. But at least we have some photos of the magnificent old building and historians to tell people all about them.